Users are losers. McGruff here. What are you gonna say if someone asks you to try drugs?
My mom and dad told me not to, and I wouldn't lie to them.
I don't need drugs because they can make me goofy.
Sensational. I see you guys got the message. And here's how you can get suggestions on ways to say no and help me take a bite out of crime.